Hello, I am Nageswara, School Assistant in English. Today, I would like to discuss another model on voice. In the previous classes, we have already discussed what voice is and what is active voice and what is passive voice and how to change the verb from active to passive when it is V1, V1S or V1ES or V2 form. Now let us have a look at the other model. Here, model 3. In model 3, I would like to deal with the present perfect tense. We all know that we all know what the present perfect tense is. Have plus V3 or has plus V3. So this is what is called present perfect tense. Now let us discuss some examples on the present perfect tense. Let's start here. Here the subject and the doer is someone. What is the verb here? Has picked. Has is the auxiliary verb and picked is the main verb. The tense is present perfect, has plus V3. Has picked what? Someone has picked what? The minister's purse. So this is the object. So here the minister's purse is a third person singular. Third person singular means it may be him, her or it may be any other single noun. Him, her, it or any other single name is called third person singular. So the minister's purse in the objective case, it refers to something. That means it is a singular name. So that's why when a singular third person singular is given as the object, we have to write has only, no change at all. That's why the minister's purse. Let us start with the minister's purse. This is in third person singular form. This the minister's purse. The minister's purse has been. So with has, have, had, we have to use been only. Has been, has picked. That means has been picked. In the passive voice. Has been picked. No need to write someone, because someone we don't know who that person is. That person is unknown or anonymous. That's why it is better to leave it there. Has been picked. That's enough. Next example. I, the doer, have posted. This is the verb here, present perfect tense. I have posted what? A message. Message is the direct object here. I have posted a message to whom? My friend. To my friend or my friend. Now, in the previous video, I explained about the ditransitives and the direct object and the indirect object. Of course, we can start the passivization, or we can start the passive voice either with the direct object or with the indirect object. In the previous video, I explained how to change a sentence with a ditransitive into passive with the indirect object. Of course, we can change it into the passive with the direct object also. Let us discuss. So I have posted my friend a message. So you can start either with this one, indirect object, or with the direct object. Let us start with the indirect object. My friend is, as I have already told you, it is a third person singular. It is a single name. My friend. When a third person singular is there, what we have to write here? Has only, not have. Okay, let us first start with the indirect object. My friend is a third person singular. So we shall start with it. My friend third person singular, so has only. No longer have. We have to write has only. My friend has. After has or have or had, we have to write been. Right. Has been posted. That is the V3 of this verb. No change in it. Has been posted. My friend has been posted. By whom is not important. By me is not important. What he has been posted is important. That's why we have to write the direct object here. A message. My friend has been posted a message. Of course, you can write by me later. Otherwise, you can start with the direct object also. What is the direct object here? A message. So a message is also a third person singular. That's why again we have to write has only, not have. Has been posted. That is the V3 of posted itself. A message has been posted. So a message has been posted. Now let us take the indirect object. Has been posted to whom? To my friend. By me. You can continue. Next one. Lata has recently bought 2 pets. Here Lata is the doer here. Has received, has bought. Recently is an adverb that comes between this auxiliary verb and the main verb. So leave it for the time being. Has bought what? 2 pets. So let us start the sentence with 2 pets. So 2 pets is plural. Other than third person singular, if the object is other than third person singular, that means if it is me, us, you, them, or any other plural noun, we have to write have been. So 2 pets, this has becomes have. Have. Since this adverb is between this auxiliary and the main verb, we have to write it here only. 2 pets have recently been. What is the V3 here? Bought. By Lata. Why we have to write by Lata? Because Lata is a proper noun. We know who the agent is. Next one. Indian athletes have won the boxing title. So what is the subject here? Indian athletes. That is the subject as well as the doer. Have won. This is plural, that's why have is written here. Have plus V3, have won. Have won what? The boxing title. So the boxing title is a third person singular. When a third person singular is given as the object, we have to write has been only, not have been. So the boxing title has been won. That is the V3. Has been won by Indian athletes. Because this is a proper noun, we have to write it necessarily. Like this. So has been. Next one. Curfew has left Mumbai silent. This is a different sentence. Curfew, this is the subject as well as the doer. Has left what? Mumbai. That is the object. Silent. Silent is an adjective. Silent is an adjective. And it describes how Mumbai is. It is an object complement adjective. Object, this is the object, this is the complement, because this is qualifying this one, this object. That's why this is object complement adjective. In the previous video we discussed object complements nouns, but here it is an adjective. Now let us start the passive sentence with Mumbai the object. Mumbai, it is a third person singular. When a third person singular is given as the object, we have to write only has been. So has remains has only. Has been, has plus been. has been left, leave, left, left. Has been left how is more important than by what. That's why Mumbai has been left how silent. By curfew, if you want to write, you can, otherwise you can leave it, no problem. Mumbai has been left silent. That is important. Here, this is a different sentence. None of the boys, not even a single boy of many boys, has scored A1 grade. So, has scored is the verb here. Doer is none of the boys. And none of the boys has scored what? A1 grade. This is the object. So, there is a negation. None, no, not. These are negations. Negative sense we have to use. So, A1 grade. A1 grade is third person singular only. So, we can write has. Here we find a none. That means negation. So, we have to add this negation here. A1 grade is the subject here. None becomes not here. A1 grade has not been scored. This is the V3 form. A1 grade has not been scored by. From this none we have already taken out no, the sense of no. That's why it becomes positive now. Any of the boys. Any of the boys. Not any. That means it is equal to none. Now let us go to the seventh example. No Indian. Here also no is there. That means it is used in a negative sense. No Indian has clinched. Has plus V3. Has clinched what? The Wimbledon singles title. So far, that is the extra phrase. No Indian has clinched the Wimbledon singles title so far. Now let us start with the Wimbledon singles title. Here also when no is there, we have to write not after this helping verb. Has not been clinched V3. Has not been clinched by. From this no, we have already taken out the negation. That's why has not been clinched by any Indian. No Indian becomes any Indian. You can add so far here. No problem. So this is the way we can change sentences with the present perfect into passive voice. Of course, the other thing is, so we have already discussed that the be form been is used with the present perfect as well as the past perfect. So we know that present perfect means have or has plus V3. Past perfect means had plus V3. Had plus V3. So far we have discussed how to modify, how to change the verbs from active to passive when the present perfect is given. Now let us discuss how to change the past perfect into passive voice. So here many foreign rulers, this is the subject here, had ruled, past perfect had plus V3, had ruled over India, had ruled over. So ruled over. So this is all one. So let us start with the object. had ruled over what? India. India is the object. See, when the past perfect is given, we need not look at the object. We need not verify whether it is a third person singular or plural or any other object. We can simply write been, between, had and the V3. So India had been ruled over by, what is the subject plus doer here? Many foreign rulers. So like this we can passivize the past perfect using been, between, had and the V3. So friends, like this we can change either the present perfect or the past perfect into passive voice by just using this be form, been, the V3 of is, am, are, was and were. So this is the V3 or the past participle of these verbs. This is one of the be forms. So like this we can change sentences from present perfect to present perfect and past perfect sentences into passive voice. Okay, thank you all for viewing me. Do subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Thank you all.